Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Hyundai Elantra brake light. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your car is parked on a level surface with the engine off for safety. Then, open your trunk to get ready to access the light assembly. This simple repair can be done quickly with just a few steps, saving you a trip to the mechanic. Let's get started. Now let's access the light. Inside your trunk, you'll see the two screws that secure the tail light assembly. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove both of these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug, but it should slide out without too much force. Be careful not to damage any wiring. With the tail light assembly removed, you can now replace the faulty bulb. Locate the brake light bulb socket, which is usually the larger one. Twist it counterclockwise to unlock and remove it from the assembly. Then, simply pull the old bulb straight out. Insert your new bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with bare hands. Before fully reassembling, it's crucial to test your new brake light. Have a friend press the brake pedal while you check if the new light illuminates. If it works, carefully push the tail light assembly back into its original position. Reinsert and tighten the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is secure and functioning properly for a safe drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.